Strategic earning, key times to boost your income. In the intricate dance of wealth building, timing can be the conductor of your financial symphony. Imagine navigating a river with ever-changing currents. Sometimes you need to paddle hard to keep up, and other times you let the flow carry you effortlessly. Just as the river's rhythm guides your journey, understanding the best times to make money can chart your course to financial success. Whether you're riding the waves of an economic boom, capitalizing on market dips, or seizing seasonal opportunities, recognizing these pivotal moments can transform fleeting chances into substantial gains. Join us as we explore the strategic moments when your financial instincts can turn into lucrative outcomes and discover how to master the art of timing to amplify your earnings. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Economic booms. Economic booms represent one of the prime times to make money, characterized by robust growth, low unemployment, and increased consumer spending. During these periods, businesses thrive, innovation accelerates, and investment opportunities abound. The positive economic climate often leads to higher corporate profits, making it an opportune moment for stock market investments or starting a new business. As consumer confidence and spending increase, businesses across various sectors experience higher demand for their products and services. This environment not only boosts existing companies, but also creates opportunities for new ventures to flourish. Entrepreneurs can capitalize on the expanding market by launching products or services that cater to the growing needs of consumers. For investors, economic booms are a golden opportunity to invest in stocks or real estate, where values tend to appreciate. The increased economic activity often translates into higher asset prices, making it a favorable time to buy and potentially realize significant returns. Furthermore, economic booms can lead to job growth and wage increases, providing individuals with the means to invest more in their financial future. Number 2. Technology advances. Technology advances represent a crucial moment to make money, often offering unparalleled opportunities for financial gain. As new technologies emerge, such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, and renewable energy, there are numerous ways to capitalize on these innovations. During technological breakthroughs, the early adopters of new technology can reap significant rewards. Investors who identify and back promising tech startups or venture into emerging markets can benefit from substantial returns. For instance, early investment in companies developing groundbreaking technologies often results in impressive growth as these innovations become mainstream. Entrepreneurs also find fertile ground in technological advancements. Launching businesses that leverage the latest tech trends can give rise to lucrative opportunities, whether it's creating new applications, providing tech-related services, or integrating cutting-edge solutions into existing business models. The potential for profit is substantial. Additionally, technology advances often drive shifts in consumer behavior and market needs. Understanding and responding to these shifts allows individuals and businesses to offer products or services that are in high demand, positioning themselves as market leaders. In summary, technology advances present a unique window of opportunity for making money, whether through investments, entrepreneurship, or adapting to evolving market trends. Number 3. Start of a new year or quarter. The start of a new year or quarter is a pivotal time to make money, as it brings fresh opportunities for financial growth and strategic planning. This period marks the beginning of new fiscal cycles for businesses and individuals, making it an ideal time for setting goals and reassessing financial strategies. For businesses, the start of a new year or quarter often comes with updated budgets, new marketing campaigns, and refreshed business objectives. Companies may increase spending on innovation, expansion, or promotional activities, creating opportunities for those who can offer relevant products or services. Entrepreneurs and freelancers can take advantage of this by pitching new ideas, securing contracts, or capitalizing on emerging business trends. Investors also benefit from this period. Financial markets often experience increased activity as institutional investors reallocate portfolios and individuals adjust their investment strategies. This can lead to new opportunities in stocks, bonds, or other assets. Additionally, the start of a new year is a great time to review and optimize investment portfolios, setting the stage for potential gains throughout the year. Individuals can leverage this time for personal financial growth as well, setting new financial goals, making resolutions to save or invest more, and reassessing personal budgets can all contribute to improved financial outcomes. In essence, the start of a new year or quarter offers a strategic advantage, providing a clean slate for financial planning and opportunity exploitation. Number 4, career milestones. Career milestones represent a significant opportunity to make money and advance your financial standing. These milestones, such as promotions, successful project completions, or acquiring new skills, often coincide with pivotal moments in your professional journey when financial rewards and growth are most attainable. A promotion, for example, frequently comes with a salary increase and enhanced benefits. This not only boosts your immediate earnings, but can also pave the way for future salary negotiations and career advancements. It's a prime time to reassess your financial strategies, invest in new opportunities, or even seek additional income streams that complement your increased earning power. Successfully completing major projects or achieving significant professional goals can also lead to financial gains. Such achievements often result in bonuses, recognition, or opportunities for career advancement, which can translate into higher earnings and increased job security. Additionally, acquiring new skills or certifications can open doors to higher-paying positions or freelance opportunities. As you build expertise in emerging fields or specialized areas, you enhance your market value, making you more competitive and potentially leading to increased income. In summary, leveraging career milestones for financial gain involves capitalizing on increased earning potential, enhancing marketability, and strategically planning for future growth. Number 5, real estate market fluctuations. Real estate market fluctuations present crucial opportunities to make money, whether you're buying, selling, or investing. The real estate market is inherently cyclical, with periods of highs and lows influenced by economic conditions, interest rates, and regional trends. During a market uptrend, property values rise, making it an ideal time to sell if you own real estate. Sellers can capitalize on higher prices, potentially yielding substantial profits. Additionally, during these peaks, there may be increased demand for rental properties, providing lucrative opportunities for landlords to secure higher rents. Conversely, during market downturns or corrections, property prices often fall, creating opportunities for buyers to acquire real estate at lower costs. Investors who identify undervalued properties during these periods can benefit significantly when the market rebounds. These downturns can also present opportunities to invest in distressed properties or foreclosures at a bargain, potentially yielding high returns upon resale or rental. In both scenarios, understanding local market trends and timing your transactions can maximize financial gains. By strategically navigating real estate market fluctuations, you can effectively leverage these periods to build wealth and capitalize on investment opportunities. Thanks for tuning in. We've explored some key moments when you can maximize your earnings and financial growth. Remember, timing is crucial, and staying informed can make all the difference. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and insights to boost your financial success. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And as always, keep striving for those financial goals and stay tuned for more content that helps you make the most of every opportunity. See you in the next video.